Hey, I'm Kevin and welcome to my channel, Mayura. Sometimes I find it really hard to get out of bed in the morning. I feel tired or stiff. And if you feel the same, you can try my morning yoga routine to help you gently wake up and start your day feeling fresh and calm. Let's begin in child's pose. You can either have your knees wide with your hips to your heels and your arms extended, resting your head down, or you can bring your knees together, hips to heels, and hold your feet resting your head down. And if you feel any discomfort in your knees, you can maybe place a pillow behind your knees to make it feel more comfortable. The next pose is seated cat. Come to a seated or cross-legged position. Place your hands over your knees and round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. Now lift your chest and arch your back for seated cow. You can lift your chin to the sky. Imagine your heart being pulled forward. And release. Take your right arm out and your left arm over. Breathe into the side of your body. Seated side bend. You can look up to keep your chest open. Now slowly come up. Take your left arm out and your right arm over. Breathe into the side of your body. Slowly come up. Now twist to your right. Place your right hand behind your spine, your left hand on your knee. Come back to center and do an easy twist to your left. Now come back to center. Extend your legs in front of you. Interlace your fingers, push your palms out, raise your arms overhead, extending your spine to the sky. Slowly release your arms, and that's it. Thank you for joining me in this morning yoga routine. I hope you're feeling calm and refreshed, and I hope you have a lovely day. Watch my next video for more.